What if your classroom was the sky? What if the tools you worked with could map the unseen, protect communities, and power the future? This is not one kind of aircraft. It's an entire ecosystem. And behind every mission, there's a team. Because in this industry, technology doesn't replace people, it depends on them. Drones inspect the infrastructure that powers our world. They monitor crops that feed our communities. They support emergency response when time matters most. They deliver the data that helps you act with confidence. They don't just fly, they solve problems. And this industry, it's just getting started. Because safe, effective operations require more than technology. They require training, discipline, and expertise. You don't have to imagine the future of aviation. You can build it, operate it, lead it. This could be you.